In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply templates automatically in ClickUp. If you're ready to save time and standardize your workflow, this is the most flexible way to do it. We're going to use automations so that ClickUp applies your templates exactly when you need them, based on real events in your workspace. Here's the big idea. Automations listen for a trigger, like when a task is created or when a status changes, and then run an action. In our case, that action is applying a template. This means your fields, checklists, descriptions, and more can appear instantly, without you lifting a finger. Start by navigating to the space, folder, or list, where you want this automation to live. Pick the level that matches where the tasks will actually exist. If your workflow only applies to a single list, set it up there. If it should cover multiple lists inside a folder, place it at the folder level. Choosing the right location keeps things clean and ensures your automation only fires where it should. Once you're in the right place, look to the upper right and click the lightning bolt icon, labeled Automate. This opens the automation builder. From the Actions drop-down, choose Apply a Template. That tells ClickUp what to do as soon as your trigger condition is met. Next, select your template from the Template Center. Use clear naming conventions so you can find the right one quickly. Double-check that the template includes everything you expect: custom fields, subtasks, checklists, and any pre-filled descriptions, so nothing gets missed when it's applied automatically. On the left side of the builder, choose your trigger. Common options include when task is created for brand new work or when status changes to a specific status for tasks that move into a particular phase. Pick the trigger that matches how your team actually works, so the timing feels natural and predictable. By the way, if you need the app or you're opening ClickUp in your browser, there's a direct link at the top of the description to get you set up quickly. When you're happy with your setup, click Create. From now on, every time that trigger occurs in this space, folder, or list, your selected template will be applied automatically. That's it. No more manual setup, fewer missed steps, and a more consistent process across your team. Quick recap. Go to the correct location, open Automate with the lightning bolt icon, select Apply a Template, choose your template from the Template Center, set your trigger, and click Create. You're done. If this was helpful, give it a try in your own workspace, and thanks for watching.